Hello and welcome to Study Time with Pranjal. Are you ready for today's video? So let's get started. Starting up with script mode in Ideally, I'll name this file as ifelse.py. Now let's write a program to accept a number from the user and display if it is a positive number. I'm taking a variable name here as num1 to take input value of the number from the user with statement enter a number. We will write an if condition here. If num1 greater than 0 with indentation print statement, the number entered is positive. For running this command, we press F5 key or run command. Now see the statement enter a number here. I entered 2 and the output says the number entered is positive. Now again with the run command, I have entered a negative number -9. See, there is no output after this because we haven't stated any print statement for other possibility. Here comes the role of else statement. We have written else with indentation, here a print statement. The number entered is negative. Let's check this again. Enter -9 again and see, here's the output statement. The number entered is negative. Okay, now I'll convert this whole code into a comment with triple quotes. Now next program, accept age of a user and display whether he is eligible for vote or not. Here we are taking a variable name as name1 for the value from the user with input statement enter your name, closing double quotes and bracket. Now enter the age with int input statement enter your age. Now an if statement with condition age greater than equal to 18. For this I'm giving a print statement with entered name of the user and statement you are eligible to vote. Then else statement for other possibility that entered name and you are not eligible for vote. Here I entered my name just for checking and trust me, I'm older than 18 years for sure. It's showing eligible for vote. One more example for age above 18. See, so our code is running properly. Okay, I'll take one more example, age less than 18 and it's giving an output, Pranjal, you are not eligible to vote. Okay, now I'll convert this whole code into a comment with triple quotes. Now the next program is for nested if statement to check if a candidate is eligible to selected for a course or not. Getting values from the user with input statement enter your name and age with int input statement enter your age. Now in marks variable with int input enter your score in the qualifying exam. If age above 18 with another if statement which is called nested if marks greater than equal to 85. Print user entered name, you are selected for the course, else print name, you did not get enough marks for selection. Now the final else statement, print name, you are too young for selection. Now just for checking the code, I am entering the values of name, age and score. When the score is above 85, see the output. The output shows I'm too young for selection. Do you remember we have put just age above 18, not greater than equal to 18? Now I have changed this sign as greater than equal to 18. Again, I'm entering exactly same information. Now see the difference in the output. Now it shows you are selected for the course. Now with some different input values, see the output. I hope nested if statement is clear to you now. If you're watching this video so far, then I'm feeling very happy and blessed. I'm happy for all the views and all the subscribers. Keep showing the same kind of love always for this channel. It keeps me motivated for making more exciting videos for you all. Thank you so much and wait, there is one more topic. Okay, now I'll convert this whole code into a comment with triple quotes. Now let's see the last program for today's video, that is if elif else ladder. Here entering marks of 3 subjects will give total marks, average marks and grade. Now total marks will be marks 1, marks 2 plus marks 3. For average marks, total marks will be divided by 3. Now the if condition says average marks greater than equal to 90, then grade A will be given. And for the different ranges of marks, all different grades are here in elif conditions. Last is else, grade D. Here are all the print statements for this program to show the output. Now I'll run this program. I have entered name, marks of 3 subjects, and here's the final output. Now one more time with some different values. Now see the output. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.